Alright, so basically how you want to start is with wires just like this, just from a USB cord, just like that, and then just cut the charging part off, and then you'll have this right here. So you want to spread your wires out evenly, and then I already nipped down the green and the white because you don't need those. You just want to cut those off, and just leave the black and the red. You don't need the green or the white. Just make sure that when you cut them off, you just have two wires that aren't touching, and you'll be completely set, because the other ones don't have anything to do with power. So once you look like this, you're perfect. That's exactly what you want to do. Alright, so then what you want to do from here is get these clippers, these little nail clippers, and then you just want to kind of score the wire and pull it off. This is if you don't have a wire stripper, you could do this, because this is what I did. As you can see, I accidentally cut it right there, but after you just strip this little coating off, you're gonna be done. You're gonna be completely set. It's that simple. You're gonna be able to vape without a battery. It's literally that simple. Right after you get the it stripped. Alright, so this is exactly what you want to look like right now. You want to have your two wires, your red and your black wire, and that's exactly what you need for this to work. Just the silver tips right there. It's already stripped and everything. That's perfect. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your device, your cartridge, your vape cartridge, you're gonna stick the black wire into the hole, and then once you get that in, you're gonna use the red wire and touch it to the side of the thing, and then that'll start heating up, but it won't burn. Don't worry, it won't burn your fingers. So you can see smoke inside of the thing. There you go, I blew it out. There you go. So that's exactly how you do it. You just need it to be plugged into a source, and you can just keep hitting it over and over, and it's infinite. Alright, let me know if you want to see another video like this, guys. I could teach you how to make your homemade vape battery, an entire battery that you could take on the go, portable. Let me know if you want me to tell you how to do that. Let's go for 100 likes and I'll do that. Alright, peace.